Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your face to look like this. This is literally like an everyday makeup look. It's very quick, very easy to do. You don't need a whole lot of fancy products or expensive products. A lot of the things I used here were drugstore products and very reasonably priced. So anybody can do this look. You still have a little highlight and a little contour, but it's nothing crazy. So if you want to learn how to get this everyday makeup look, then stay tuned to this video. Oh, also for this video, I won't be doing my brows on camera because I have a video that shows how I do my brows. So if you want to see the video of how I do my brows, I'll link that in the description. Enjoy this video. Hey guys, so the first thing we're going to be using is our foundation. All right, now I don't prime when I'm rushing or anything like that. My skin is usually moisturized. So you just take your foundation. I use two because I can't find my shade and I just mix it, but you can just use whatever foundation that matches your skin tone. And then I use my finger just to like pop it, spread it all over my face and little dots everywhere on my face. Literally guys, this is like a 5-minute routine. So you just put the foundation and then you take like a flat top brush and you're gonna just like swirl it in to your skin until you have like a very even coat. And if you'd followed my eyebrow tutorial that's linked in the description, you will also blend out the concealer from the eyebrow so that everything is just like seamless and just has one shade. So you just blend and you just use the brush, flat top brush. You can use a regular foundation brush, you can use a sponge, you can use your fingers. Literally, you can use whatever, especially if you're rushing. But I like to use a flat top brush because I feel like it gives me the best coverage with the quickest time in terms of like blending it in. You also want to take it down onto your neck. Now, I blended this foundation. It was a little bit too dark because my neck is lighter. And so I had to like blend it into my neck. But make sure that you aren't ghost face or like look like you're wearing a mask. Make sure to blend it with your neck as well. Bring it down onto your neck and onto your décolleté and all that stuff. So that's basically the first step to the routine. You put on your foundation. Then we're gonna take a contour stick, or I'm actually just using a foundation stick, but it's in a darker color than my skin tone. I actually bought this at Primark, I think for like £1. And you're gonna just draw the lines on your face like what you see me drawing here. So on the forehead to make your forehead look smaller, on the cheeks to make them look very chiseled, very tiny lines alongside your nose just to give you like a more snatched nose, and under your chin. So as you see, I'm just taking this brush and I'm just blending out the contour. But as you kind of see right there, guys, I kind of went up a little bit on the chin. So I kind of made a mistake. But I'm going to show you that by the end of it, that won't even be there. So you can make mistakes, but it's very easy to fix. So just use this tapered, fluffy brush. And I'm just blending out the contour, blending out the harsh lines, getting it as close as possible to matching into the foundation. And I'm also squeezing the brush in to make a very flat surface to blend out my nose. Or you can take a small brush, a small like fluffy brush, and just blend out your nose that way. It'll be more precise if you use a small brush as well. But I'm just showing you guys how you can literally do this quick look with a small amount of products, small amount of things, and still get a really nice look. So now we're gonna go in and highlight. Now, most people will highlight with concealer, but because we're rushing, we don't have time to put concealer and then bake. So we're just gonna go right in with the banana powder. Now, I'm using the Revolution banana powder, luxury banana powder. You can use Ben Nye, you can use whatever you have. Or whatever you normally use to set your concealer and to highlight or to set your concealer. So I'm using this luxury powder from Revolution Pro, and I just go in under my eyes, make the little triangles just like I would if I had used concealer, and then I'm gonna go along my nose. Now again, I'm using a very big brush, so if you want your nose to be very snatched and looking very tiny, then you want to use a small brush. Okay, I'm going to put some on my forehead, on my chin, and then I'm going to go right under where I did the contour on my cheekbones. So that way it gives that really sharp, chiseled look. You see, I'm looking slim already. I lost 10 pounds, guys. Like, bam. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that and let that set and bake, and leave that little highlight glow, and I'm going to just use this Revolution Pro palette to do my eyeshadow. Now again, you don't have to use a bunch of stuff on your eyes if you don't want to. I'm just going to show you one specific routine. So I use a transition color which is light. It's like blends my skin in with the actual look, ties everything together, so it's light but neutral for the look. Then I'm going to go in with the medium warm color, like medium deep kind of color, sorry guys, and I'm just going to put that in my crease, okay, to create that like dimension. Okay, so we're going to just show you like a very simple smoky eyed look, and I'm just using a regular eyeshadow brush here to do this, which I bought on eBay for probably like 99 cents or something. Then we're going to go in the outer V using the darkest shade. So we're going to create an outer V. Do you see how I'm going on the lash line, above the lash line, on the lash line, into the crease, creating that outer V. Now that's how you do a smoky eye, even for everyday purposes. You can also put a piece of tape alongside your eye as well to create a more sharp V line. But we're rushing, we don't got time for that. Okay, we got 5 minutes. We're gonna miss the train. So then we take or we're going to be in traffic. So we take the brightest color, the one that we want to pop. Usually this is like a shiny color, or it can be a matte one as well, but like the lightest one, and you just put that on your lid. All right, you just pack it on nicely on your lid and make sure that it's up blended into the outer V that you just created. So you're going to like go lighter as you go towards the outer V. So it creates like this seamless transition from the lid to the outer V. We're then going to take the same medium deep color that I put in my crease, and we're going to put it under my eye just to create like a more harmonious look and tie everything together, especially because we're not using liner for this look, right? We have 5 minutes to get our butts out of the house. And yeah, we're just gonna go under the eye, and then we're gonna just take a little pop of sparkle, the same one that we used before, and just pop it into the inner corner of our eye, of our eyes. Now we're gonna take this Real Techniques fluffy brush. This is legit the most expensive thing in this entire look, so you have no excuse for why you can't do your makeup every day, because now you got time and you also have like a very cost-effective routine. So we're just gonna take this fluffy brush. You can also use a fluffy brush from wherever anyway, and we just blend it all in to make sure that we have one seamless look, right? Just like get all that seamlessness in, get rid of the excess powder, and that's it. Now we're gonna add some more personality to our face by adding some blush. We're using the blush from the Revolution palette. I'm just using that like peachy colored one, so it's like warm. And then we're going to use the highlighter from Revolution Sophie X palette. I'm going to go in with the gold one, and we're going to just put that along our cheeks because, you know, even though it's like an everyday look, you want to look cute. You want to like glisten and shine bright like a diamond. And you just pop a little bit on your nose. I mean, you can use a tiny brush again on your nose if you really want your nose to be snatched, okay? Don't use a big brush like me. Then we're going to go in with the Revolution lipstick collection in the Bare line, and I'm going to use the pinkest one. I don't put it on both my lips because then I look like I didn't eat. So I just put it on my bottom lip, and then I just like smooth it out, and it gives like a really nice tint to the top lip and leaves a top tint on the bottom lip. I'm going to use this I Heart Makeup setting spray, again by Revolution. As you guys can tell, I love them. That setting spray was actually given to me as a gift by Carlo's sister because she knows I'm obsessed with them. So she bought me that as a gift. But yeah, then you let it dry. You just fan yourself, sit in front of a fan, you know, go pack your handbags, make sure you have your chargers and everything. And once your face is dry, then you go in with mascara. You don't want to do the mascara while your face is still wet because you will smudge your eye makeup onto your under eye. You will smudge it onto your lid, you will smudge it onto your under eye, and you'll just look crazy, and that's not cute. So we just want to put that after our face is dry, and then we finalize any styling touches on our hair to make sure that we are looking gorgeous. Do you see? We just like brush it, comb it, whatever you need to do to make your hair look the way you want it to look. And yes, that's a look. Look at that. Yay! Literally, it's that easy. And now you're feeling yourself. Now you on the train. Now you in the traffic. Now you at work. Now you with whoever, buying groceries, buying cleaning products, buying toilet paper. And yeah, you're just having fun, living life, and you look cute, you know? Yay! finished look. And like I said, this was 15 minutes or less. You could even do it quicker if you didn't go like with the different colors on the eyeshadow, like if you just did like one color or no eyeshadow and just like mascara. Oh, you could do that too, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave a like. Give me a like if you like this video, or if you don't like it, you can share your displeasure as well. It will break my heart, but you can feel free to leave a thumbs down. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can join the squad. Yes, yes. And I will link all the products and things that I used in the description. I will link all the products and things that I use in the description below. Until next time, ciao.